Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV files to Google Sheets and export Google Sheets back to CSV format. This is incredibly useful when you need to work with data from other platforms or share your spreadsheets in a universally compatible format. Let's walk through both processes step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, sign in to your Google account using your credentials. This will take you to your Workspace dashboard where you can access all your Google apps and files. From the dashboard, you have two options. You can either click on an existing spreadsheet if you want to work with one you've already created, or you can create a brand new spreadsheet to get started fresh. For this tutorial, let's assume you're opening an existing one or creating a new blank sheet. Now let's begin with importing a CSV file. Look at the top menu bar of your Google Sheets window and click on File. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, click on Import. This opens the Import dialog where you can choose how to bring external data into your sheet. In the Import window, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the Upload tab since we're bringing a file from your computer. Then click the Browse button. This will open your computer's file explorer, allowing you to navigate through your folders and locate the CSV file you want to import. Once you've found it, click on the file to select it. After selecting your file, a dialog box will appear with several import options. Here you can choose where you want this CSV data to go. You might see options like Create New Spreadsheet, Insert New Sheet, or Replace Current Sheet. For this example, let's select Create New Spreadsheet from the drop-down menu. This keeps your original sheet intact and creates a fresh spreadsheet with your imported data. Once you've made your selection, click the Import Data button to proceed. Google Sheets will process the file, which may take a moment depending on the size of your CSV. Once the import is complete, a success message will appear on your screen, letting you know the process finished without any issues. You'll see an option that says Open Now. Click this to immediately view your newly imported spreadsheet with all the CSV data properly formatted. Now, let's cover the reverse process, which is exporting your Google Sheet to CSV format. This is helpful when you need to share data with someone who doesn't use Google Sheets or when you need to upload data to another platform that requires CSV files. At the top of your Google Sheets window, click on File again. From the drop-down menu, hover over or click on Download. This will expand to show you several file format options. Look for the option that says comma-separated values, which will have CSV next to it in parentheses. Click on this option. The download will begin immediately, and you'll see your browser's download notification appear, usually at the bottom of your screen or in your Downloads folder. The file will be saved with the same name as your Google Sheet, but with a .csv extension instead. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to import CSV files into Google Sheets and export your Google Sheets data back to CSV format. These simple processes make data transfer between different platforms seamless and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.